maaga. It's Saturday today. And punta tayo ng tindahan. Ito na lang palagi yung ginagawa namin, guys. Ito na lang palagi yung makikita nyo. Punta ng tindahan, punta sa park, dito sa bahay, sundo kay Mishka. Ito na yung aming routine dito palagi. So, yan na lang yung nakikita nyo sa vlog namin. So, yeah. What's that?
I told you, no? You were saying that I will give them C.
Dito na kami sa Smart Bazaar. Yung anak ko, guys, naka-gown na naman siya. Siya na yung pupili ng damit niya. Kung ano yung gusto niyang suotin, yun na dapat. We have to buy ata. Wala na kasi kaming ata. What's that, Mimi? Is this one? This one, Daddy? Ashirvad. This one, huh? This is what we're buying. Mimi, what's that?
Candy.
Okay. Huh? Libre me siya. Want your broccoli?
No, Ma. Ako lang broccoli.
Why?
Candy. That's my candy.
Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. And ito yung mga nabili namin. Bigas, wheat flour, detergent, yung comfort. Meron silang sitaw. Tapos ito mga ng gulay-gulay. Bumili talaga kami ng patatas kasi gusto ni Abi magluto ng samosa. It's going to boil potato kasi samosa. Samosa party na naman kami. Pupunta siya ng office after maluto yung aming samosa.
It's not only samosa because if I cook na something, I will
Get satisfied.
I will be occupied. I will not
Think.
stress of work.
Actually, today is Saturday, pero pupunta pa rin sa Abi sa opisina. Ayan niya magtrabaho. We have banana. You want to eat banana?
Yeah.
Banana.
Banana is
Mimi.
healthy.
Healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
It's healthy. Hindi naka-perlas ng silanganan.
We don't have dhania, na?
Dania. We have...
No, dhania seeds. No.
It's there.
Where? Mishka, chalo, let's go. We'll buy something and come back. Chalo.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, thank you. Anything else in there?
Yung aking mag-ama nasa labas eh. Hello?
I'm looking at green chili and that.
Yeah. Green chili is here.
And this one, ginger.
Ginger, no.
Oh,
Is that? Yes!
okay.
Meron silang binili ng mga kulang na hindi namin nabili kanina. Nung nasa labas kami kanina ni Abhi, tinawag niya ako, diba? Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo. Parang nalungkot na, parang na-hurt a little bit. Merong pinapagawa si auntie kahapon. So, merong nagtatrabaho dyan, mag-asawa, tapos may maliit sila na baby. Dito sa kabila lang, kasi merong lupa na pinapahakot si auntie. Tapos tinanong ko nga kung saan niya gagamitin. Sabi niya kasi ilalagay niya yung mga materials niya doon na side. Tapos sabi ko, anong gagawin mo sa lupa? Sabi niya, yung iba daw kinukuha nila para pang tanim, ginagamit sa halaman. So sabi ko, hihingi din ako. So kahapon, nakita ko yung bata eh. After kong hinatid si Mishka sa school, bumaba ako doon sa kanya, nagchika-chika, tapos dinalhan ko ng pagkain. Yung pasta na niluto ko kay Mishka na baon sa school, yung paborito namin, yung white sauce pasta lang. Veg nga lang yun eh, kasi sweet corn lang yung nilagay ko, tapos cheese, tapos mga seasoning lang. And si Mishka, gustong-gusto niya yung ganun. And ako din, gustong-gusto ko yung ganun sa Abi nga kumain din. So, yung ginawa ko, kasi naawa ko sa bata, tapos para sa kanila din. So, yung pasta, pinarcel ko siya. Meron akong foil na nilagyan. Yung kagaya sa mga takeaway foil, tapos may cover. Sabi ko, para sa bata. Tapos, kung gusto nyo, kumain din kayo, ganon. Tapos, chika-chika pa nga ako dun sa kanila habang pinapakain yung baby. Kwento ko kay Abby na binigyan ko sila ng pagkain, ganon. So, parang happy-happy ka din na makapag-share kahit pa paano. Tapos, tinawag ako kanina nga ni Abby nung nag-i-intro ako. Yun pala, tinapon nila dun parang malapit sa kung saan kami nakaupo kahapon. Hindi siya yung accidental kasi pwede mong isipin na natapon, nalaglag, ganon. Pero hindi siya yung accidental na natapon. Parang intentional talaga siya na tinapon. So parang hindi siguro nila nagustuhan. Pero parang nasasaktan ka lang na nag-effort ka na bigyan sila kasi naaawa ka or gusto mo kahit pa paano na yung bata hindi magutom kasi nagtatrabaho sila anong oras na yun. Or baka hindi lang talaga nila nagustuhan yung luto ko. Pero yun ba na kung hindi nyo nagustuhan or gusto nyo man itapon nyo sa malayo. Hindi yung makikita nung nagbigay sa inyo, di ba? Parang ano lang, parang nakaka-insulto. Kasi kahapon, parang tinatry ko na makapag-communicate sa kanila kasi Canada yung lingwahe nila. And then, na-understand ko na sabi niya, hinihingi siya na, like, laruan, yung bicycle doon sa baba, hindi naman yung kay Mishka. Sabi niya, if meron daw ganon si Mishka na bike. So sabi ko, titingnan ko kung ano yung mabibigay ko ba. Kaya lang parang nakaka-hurt na binigyan ko sila kahapon na mula sa puso. Mula sa puso yung pagbigay ko sa kanila. Tapos tinapon lang nila guys na okay lang sana if binigay nila sa aso, 'di ba? Pero nilaglag lang nila doon sa babae. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ito na silang dalawa. So kahapon, you got blueberry?
She was asking for candy, but I didn't buy her candy.
Oh, wow.
Cranberry and plum, dried plums.
Okay. So, ito yung ginagawa nila kahapon. Naghakot sila ng lupa. And we were sitting here yesterday. Tapos, ito guys, oh. Diyan lang din nila talaga tinapon. Hindi siya yung accidental lang siya na natapon. Eh, tinapon talaga siya nila. So, yung sana, tinapon man lang nila sa malayo or pinakain sa mga aso kasi ang daming aso dito. Diba? Ayan yung mga aso. Oh, sana binigay na lang. I'm talking to them, like how I was feeling.
That's why I was telling you, whenever you say that, I'll give them this. I'm telling you, they will throw it. See, whatever I say,
because I always want to give.
In Indian food, you can give only to those people who are like really poor, beggar. They will only take food. Otherwise, if other people you will give, they will get offended. They will not eat. They will think that what if you have made something, why you are giving them food, like that. Unlike other places.
Pag naaawa kasi ako, gusto ko yung nagbibigay ako. And kami ni Abby guys, hindi kami yung gagawin namin content yung magbigay. We have received comments kahit before pa na hindi nila kami nakita na nagbibigay, nagsishare, ganun. Kasi kami ni Abby, if we are sharing something to other people, hindi kami yung parang gagawin namin content or minsan siguro nakakapag-vlog ako na nagbibigay kami kasi para makita din ng iba and hindi lang sila basta-basta magsabi na hindi ka nagbibigay ng something na gano'n. Pero palagi talaga kapag may sinishare kami ni Abby sa ibang tao, hindi talaga namin binivideohan or hindi siya namin ginagawang content. Kasi minsan, you know, out of the blue lang, ay gusto kong magbigay, naawa ko sa ganito, gusto kong magbigay, gano'n. So, si Abby, ever since, palagi niya ako niyan pinagsasabihan. Kahit nung nasa Bangalore kami, guys, gustong-gusto ko yung magbigay sa mga guards. As in, palagi talaga ako nagbibigay ng mga snacks. Like, bibili kami ni Mishka pag mag-grocery kami ni Mishka or lalabas kami ni Mishka, maglalaro sa park. And then, every time na makikita ko yung mga guards doon, I'm buying them samosa, chai, tea.
If you're buying from outside, okay. But home cooked, they will get psychic. That's why it feels like this.
And, bumibili lang ako nung nasa Bangalore kami because I've been telling Abby that I wanted to cook for them. Pero sabi niya, no, baka hindi nila magustuhan. But yesterday, parang I was kind of hurt, kind of offended.
Yes,
that they
today.
just, today. But yesterday, I have given them. No, what I meant was, if they don't like the food, they could throw it somewhere far that I will not be able to see or give them to the animals. that at least animals will get fed. They will be full. But, alam mo yun, yung parang nakikita mo na sila na walang-wala, tapos binigyan mo ng something, tapos hindi nila na-appreciate, especially food. Kasi pag ako, binigyan ako ng pagkain, pag walang...
you have cooked for yourself and Mishka.
Oo. And I have cooked that with love. Ay, my gosh, parang naiiyak ako.
Or maybe it would have fallen by mistake, but no, if you
no, it's not, yeah, it will be scattered. But it was clean. So yun, parang ano lang ako na-hurt. Kasi pag ako, if in case man ako, walang-wala talaga kayo, and someone will offer food, o diba, i-appreciate mo yun, or kung hindi mo man nagustuhan, give it to, sa mga animals na lang, para mabusog din yung animals. Kasi si Mishka kumakain naman. Or their reason could be also that they don't like the taste.
Yeah, because they're not habitual of eating pasta.
But I have added yung chili flakes.
In their life, they would be eating it.
Yeah.
They don't know the taste.
But at least throw it somewhere far. Throw it properly in a garbage bin. Doon lang nila dun sa baba tinapon. Baka makita yun ni auntie. Ano sasabihin ni auntie na na-stuck doon? It will cause flooding doon sa baba. Hello! Gano'n ka, ma?
Hello!
Hello! Oh, Berber is playing with Daddy Paul. Hello, Berber! Burr!
Potato is
That's our boiled potato. And then here, he's preparing green chili and ginger and black pepper. Igigisa niya yun, guys. Black pepper? It's not it. Okay. Okay. Here's Berber. Hi, Berber! What happened? Peel our potato. Lagyan mo natin yung patatas. Ang bango ng ginger. Ginger smells good. Huh?
right.
Ayoko lang yung kinakain yung ginger, pero yung kanyang amoy, ang bango. Turmeric. No turmeric?
No.
Okay. So, coriander powder and salt. Let's prepare our dough. Harina. Is this enough? Look, Daddy. Little more. You think? This enough? Daddy, look. Now, let's add salt. Yeah?
Mangrel ajwain.
Yung aking fambam. Kompleto na naman sila doon ngayon, guys. Sa Pilipinas.
Don't have garam masala na?
No, we don't have.
Wow!
Berber! Si Manong Blue is there. Manong Blue! Ninimid ko yung aming dough dito para sa samosa.
Hello!
Tumutulong din si Mishka. Hi, Berber! Hi, Berber! Who's Spider-Man si Berber? Hi, Berber! Hi, Danaya! Say hi!
Hi, Baba!
Hi, Berber! Okay.
Don't eat up the ice cream near me.
Hi, Berber! Kalbo? Si look at Spider-Man na yun. Spider-Man!
No, superhero.
You're superhero, Berber? Are you superhero?
Like my daddy. Dad is Superman.
Yes.
Yeah.
She's bragging about you.
No.
Daddy is Superman. Look at Berber, so tall. Wow. Wow, Berber. What is your name? Spider-Man ka? Enough. Enough, Mimi. Ito na yung aming stuffing. Ito na yung laman ng ating samosa. Niluluto namin dito yung chutney, tamarind chutney, na merong jaggery. Form.
Yes. Snake.
So, ito na yung nagawa namin so far. Pinapainit ko na dito yung mantika. Ayan, ready to fry na. Sticky. Malapit na siyang maluto, guys. Ito naman yung chutney. Medyo marami pa nga yung tubig niya. Dapat thick siya. Dito naman, chole to guys. Yung white and green chickpeas. Magiging samosa chat itong aming luto. And ayan, first batch is ready. Init-init pa. Yung aming samosa chat.
Samosa chaat.
And one for me. Meron kami ditong mixture. Dadagdag natin to as toppings.
Keep it like this only.
Okay. Separate yung kanya. Ayan yung
The small bowl we are not using because it is good for picture taking, but for eating.
Isang malaking plate talaga. What else?
Black pepper, black salt.
Now, wash your hands. Now we're going to eat. Ito na yung akin. Pero mas gusto ko na marami pang chutney. Dagdagan natin. I love chutney. Sweet chutney. Kain tayo. And she found my nail polish. Dito kami ngayon sa Salas, guys. Kasi mag-movie date kami. Movie date dito sa bahay. Minsan na lang kami dito tumambay sa sala para manood ng TV. Kasi yung wifi namin, hindi siya naka-connect. Ang hirap mag-connect. Ewan ko, merong error something. More than 1 month na siguro na ganito, hindi maka-connect yung aming wifi. So, yung ginagamit na lang namin is yung sa phone. Mobile data lang, hotspot. It's not working.
If you want, you can add more salt.
It's good. I like the chutney. I like the chutney. What's for dinner?
Pickles rice.
Huh?
Pickles rice.
Our dinner is laswa and rice. Kain tayo.
ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ತಂಡದ ನಾಯಕರು ಅಶೋಕ್ ರೈ.
Mommy, what the good playing ball?
It's called volleyball, baby. Let's start.
ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಂದ್ಯ ಮನ್ವಿತ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ತುಷಾಂತ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್. Bonich.
It's my fault, Mommy.
Outside. Yes, it's mine.
6-9. 6-9.
It's your score, Mimi. You win.
Yay! You lost.
Oh no. Go black.
Oh, wait.
She's excited to win. Oh, yes, outside. It's my score.
That is my score.
No, I'm team black. It's my score.
No, that is
See? It's mine.
you lost.
I win, you lose.
I win, you lost.
No, it's mine. It's my score.
That is my
See?
score. Go.
Yes, outside. Yeah. No, I win.
I win. I win.
Oh!
I win.
No, Mimi, it's my team.
No, that is my team.
No, it's team black's score.
You win.
Yes. Look. Oh no!
It was my video. Like my video. Bye.